In this video, I will show you how to add a secondary email in Shopify so that in case you forget your password, you can always restore access to your Shopify account. First of all, once you're logged into your Shopify dashboard, at the top right corner, click on Store Name, and then select Manage Account. Then on the left, click on Security. On the security page, you'll see the secondary email section, and there's an option to add secondary email. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now we have to verify the current account password. Then click Next. Now you have an option to add the secondary email. So let me just use one of my test emails. And then let's click Add Secondary Email. Now Shopify will send out the verification email to this email address, which we have to confirm. Let me log into my email account, and there's the email. Let's open it. And now let's click Verify Email. Yes, confirm. Perfect. So we just added the secondary email. Let's go back to the Shopify admin. Let's once again refresh the security page. And there it is, the secondary email has been added. So that's pretty much it. That's all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.